Tired of paying for an Apple TV subscription you no longer use? Let's dive into how to cancel it quickly and easily. Your most common and direct route to subscription management on Apple devices is through the Settings app. So, first, locate and tap on the gray gear icon that represents your settings. Once in Settings, look at the very top. You'll see your name and profile picture. That's your Apple ID. Tap on it to access your account details. On this screen, you'll find various account options. Scroll down until you see the Subscriptions option and tap on it. Now you're in your Subscriptions Management Hub. You should see a list of all your active subscriptions. Find the one for Apple TV and tap on it. On this specific subscription page, you'll see details about your current plan and renewal date. Look for the bright red Cancel Subscription button. Tap on it to initiate the cancellation process. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking you to confirm your decision to proceed. Tap Confirm. Alternatively, you can manage your Apple TV subscription directly through Apple's website. Open your web browser and navigate to TV.com. Once the page loads, you'll typically find a profile icon or a login option. Usually in the top right corner, click on this to sign in with your Apple ID. After logging in, look for a section or a link related to your account settings. This might be labeled Settings, Account, or something similar. Click on it. Within your account settings, you should see a Subscriptions section. Click on this to view all your active subscriptions managed through your Apple ID. Locate your Apple TV subscription in the list next to it. You should see an option to cancel subscription. Click on this link. You'll likely be presented with a confirmation screen. To finalize your cancellation, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your decision and complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Apple TV subscription, ensuring you won't be billed again for a service you're not using.